Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga with Arundathi. Today we're going to be doing a quick yoga session. So join me in a seated position and let's keep our spine straight. Roll back your shoulders, place your hands in Chin Mudra on your kneecaps and gently soften your gaze and close your eyes. Let's connect with our breath. See how you're feeling right now. And visualize that breath going in through your nostrils, all the way nice and slow to your lungs. Then visualize it coming right back out through your nostrils. And visualize your body sitting on the mat. Great job. Let's do some deep breathing. So you're going to inhale through your nostrils and exhale through the nostrils as well. So begin inhale through your nostrils and exhale. Begin inhale through your nostrils and exhale. One last big inhale and exhale. Great job. Let's tilt our chin towards our chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Awesome. So let's start with a quick mobilization of the joints because we always need to, right? For safety and so that you go deeper into the pose. So look to your right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and stop at the center. Left ear, left shoulder, right ear. Keep going. Keep going. And bring your awareness to that sensation on your neck right now. Perfect. You're going to cross your forearms in front of you. Inhale, bring them out. Exhale, inward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Perfect. So let's come into a tabletop to do the cat-cow. So the distance between your kneecaps is going to be the length of your forearm. You're going to place those elbows on your kneecaps, spread your fingertips, and we are ready. So let's shimmy your pelvis, your tummy a little, right? Because sometimes there's a little stiffness in the morning, even in the evening sometimes. So inhale, drop your belly, gaze up. Exhale, arch your back like a cat. Good job. Inhale. Exhale, arch your back. Inhale, bring your awareness to your spine. Exhale, arch your back. Inhale, nice and slow. And arch your back. Great job. We're going to release our right hand outward, left leg outward and hold. Breathe normally, hold the pose. Great job. Let's switch. So right leg out, left hand out. And done. Awesome. Good job. So you're going to place your palms a little away from you and let's settle into a downward dog. You're going to place your feet a little apart and push yourself. Imagine yourself coming in between, your head trying to come inside the V, right? So this is like a V shape and this is the downward dog. This is really good to boost an energy, right? Boost great energy coming into your body. And similarly, letting go of all that lethargic energy, low motivation energy, any negative thoughts, really good for that type of mental stress or mental anxiety, and for back pain as well, so it's a plus. Good. You're going to slowly bring your right foot in between your palms. If it doesn't come, use your hand and bring it there. And you're going to come into warrior pose. So inhale, sweep your hands up and bend your right knee. Bend. So I'm going to just turn to the other side. You all maintain this pose, right? So that you can see me better. So right leg bent. Good. So as you're holding this pose, right, ground through your toes. Remind yourself you're strong, right? It's a warrior pose. So, and it's also good for your vagus nerve as well, so strong immune system. Good. Let's bring your right foot to the center, left foot out. Inhale, sweep your hands up, bend. We're pulling on that vagus nerve. And done. And hold. So this is really, it gives you like a strong mindset as well. And it's also known to kind of guide us to let go of our past, to also be grounding in the present and looking forward to the future, but grounding in the present, which is the most important, right? Perfect. And done. So let's remain in this position, right? Inhale, hands up, bend to your right side and up, bend to your left and up. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale, exhale, and done. Awesome. Let's mobilize our ankles just a bit because I think that's what we missed. So you're going to move your ankle up, down, right? Hope you can see it. And then move it to your right, mobilize it, and then you can hold on to a wall. This is completely fine, right? And left leg up, down. Good. And mobilizing and mobilizing. Great. All right. So shake your body a little, right? Feel that sweat, little bit of sweat, that blood flow coming in, the good energy coming into your body. Begin to inhale to your nostrils and exhale. Begin to inhale to your nostrils and exhale. Awesome. So the first pose is the chair. So you're going to come into a mountain pose, right? But your heels are not going to be close together. They're going to be just a tad bit away from each other, okay? Inhale, sweep your hands all the way up, and then there will be an Anjali Mudra, so like that, all the way over your head. Inhale, exhale, come into a squat, right? And while you're here, your upper arms are aligned with your ears, and let's check in with that alignment. So you're going to push your knees away from your toes. They cannot be coming over your toes, right? Passing your toes. It should be behind, and then you have to squat. It's a little tricky, but it's really, really good for endurance. So pick one point and focus. I'll just tell you the benefits. Really good for endurance, for a strong immune system. And again, feeling like lethargic, this gives like a big like a boost to your body and your mind. Strong core as well, I'm sure you're feeling it. Keep checking that alignment. Great job. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands down. So hands apart, feet apart, what do? Begin to inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Begin to inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Awesome. We're going to do the Parivirta Trikonasana. I invite you to go to the left side of your mat, come into a mountain pose. Move your right foot to your right side. Inhale, sweep your hands up. Knees are nice and tight, not lazy. Inhale, exhale, we're going to turn to your right side. Right, your hand should be parallel, like just like that. Just don't have space. Inhale, exhale, bend your left hand towards your right leg. Right hand over your right shoulder and gaze towards your right shoulder. So I'm going to get up to adjust a little posture, but your left hand should be on your right leg. Right hand over your right shoulder. Hold the pose, breathe normally. Let me see if I can move just a bit. So breathe normally while you're there. This is good for anxiety, right? For a healthy digestion. Triangle pose, any variation is really good for a healthy digestion. Five more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look at the right. Exhale, look at the center. We don't suddenly come to the center, right? Be careful of your back. Inhale, exhale, let's go to the other side. Good. Inhale, bend backwards a little. Exhale, right hand towards your left leg, wherever that may be. Left hand over your left shoulder and gaze towards your left shoulder. Breathe normally while you're there. Feel that stretch on your back, right? Breathe normally. Tighten those kneecaps, don't let them go lazy, right? Five more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, sweep your hands up. Exhale. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the center. Inhale again. Exhale, hands down. So that breath order is very important, right? Bend your knees. Bend your right. Go to the left. Hands apart, feet apart. What do? Begin inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Begin inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Awesome. So join me in a seated position. We've got 2 more poses. So first of all, hands apart, feet apart, and relax. Let your neck hang behind a little, and let your body adjust that we're in a seated position, right? Awesome. So then you're going to come into a seated Sthiti Dandasana. So like the mountain, this is a seated version, right? You're going to place your hands first beside you, then behind you, then inhale, legs off the mat. If this is hard, you can bend them as well because we are going to let go of our hands. So let's do this today. So, but back straight, yeah? Hands out and look at your toes. Those of you who can, so hold there, right? Now I can't go there because I have bent my knees, but you can hold on to that as well. I'm just trying to be supportive so everyone is able to practice safely. This is very good for a strong back, to fire up our gut, right, for digestion. Great job. Hands down first, legs out and legs down in the same order, and hands in front. Good job. Hands apart, feet apart. Deep breathe. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. You're doing really good. One last pose. So let's go all the way down to Shavasana. Right? So that's hands apart, feet apart. Shake your neck from side to side. See how you're feeling. Melt into the mat. Always be super hyper aware of what's going on right now. Right? Yoga is all about that. Good. So you're going to bring your feet together, hands together. You're going to inhale and raise your legs up. Exhale, bend them. Right? Inhale, interlace your fingers on your shin, right? And pull them towards you. And exhale, try to bring your forehead towards your kneecap. So if you can, hold on to this. But if you have chronic neck issues, then you can stay here and keep bringing your legs towards you. So the point is, breathe normally. The reason is to give a nice massage to your belly, right, to abdomen, so it stimulates a healthy digestion. It's also good for a calm mind as well. But if they have a severe neck issue, please don't bring your neck up here. You can just stay here. Yeah. And flex your toes away from you while you hold the pose. 10 more. Good job. Slowly neck down. Release your hands. Legs up. Legs down. I know you felt that. Hands apart, feet apart. Shake your neck. And what do? Deep breathing. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale to your nostrils. Bulge that tummy out. And exhale. Remember, belly breathing is completely normal, and bulging, you're supposed to use that, right? It's supposed to be like that, so please don't try to tighten and breathe. You have to relax your tummy. Inhale and exhale. Awesome. Perfect. So I invite you to remain in this position so I can guide you with a little music for you to really relax, and then we'll finish the session. So please don't skip this part, yeah? Make sure your hands are apart, feet apart. and just hold this pose. I'm going to come into a seated position. Great job. I invite you to bring your feet together, your hands together, and turn on your right shoulder. Take a few breaths there, and very gracefully join me in a seated position. And as you come into this seated position, you're going to roll back your shoulders and sit tall. You're going to place your hands in Chin Mudra on your kneecaps. Great. Perfect. Let's take this moment and observe this calmness that you have created for you, and ask ourselves to commit to extending this even outside the mat. Great. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Awesome. So I hope you feel really good and relaxed, and even in that short time you can see that you can do so many things to relax that stress, let go of that stress, to let go of that back pain or stiffness, to really bring yourself back to you. So even if you do during the day, yoga is all about just attending to your body. So I'm really proud that you took this time for yourself. And remember, we committed to extending this calmness even outside the mat, because that is the whole philosophy of yoga, because we're living with everyone, right? So let's try to maintain this calmness. And remember, whenever you feel ticked off, whenever you feel uncomfortable, you have the power of breath. You don't need to jump into a yoga mat. You can redirect your thoughts, you can redirect your mood with just a simple breathing exercise, right? The abdominal breathing. So I'm really proud that you took the time, and I will see you next week. Bye for now.